kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Amazing recipe. Today I finish up the curry chicken, you know what I mean? It's for the birthday party. But I know you guys said to me, say, cook the chicken, and I cook it and I video it and I say, you know what, I know the fans and will like this one. Thank you so much for staying tuned with Chef Ricardo. And you know what I mean, leave your comments. And remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And see you next time. Thank you. Stay tuned. All of the fans them last night was saying yesterday, 24 hours ago, I said, yes, Chef Ricardo, yes, Chef Ricardo, yes, Chef Ricardo. I want you to cook the curry chicken. I'll be at that seat, yeah? Look how I look. Whole heap of curry chicken. Is a whole heap, you know? My God, look at that, man. And look how me marinate. You can see how the season, look how it's seasoned. You can see the spring onion, the white onion, the garlic, the thyme, everything. And the beauty is Chef Ricardo natural blending season in it. Look that, man. Oh my God, in this, guys, look at this. Look at the curry chicken. Alright. Ready for business. No time to muck about. Look at this now. No, I said this man is a madman. No, I'm not a madman. Look on garlic. All of these garlic, spring onion, we're gonna use it in this. We're gonna bring a flavor to the curry chicken, which is gonna be amazing flavor. So let's cook it now, guys. Let's cook this curry chicken today. All right, we mean business. We mean business. I'm gonna cook this now. Massive pot. The way the pot bigger than the stove. Look at this. Look at this. Clean and shine and nice. That's what you want. You understand? Make sure your pot everywhere is clean and nice. And the beauty is, I'm gonna pop a little bit of oil, just a little pinch of olive oil. Then we're gonna put about 10 cloves of garlic and 2 spring onion. Then give it a little stir. Please don't do that at home because I'm a chef, I know what I'm doing. Yes. Then what we're gonna do now is put in the chicken. Just like this. Don't play with Chef Ricardo when you're cooking. What's my name? Chef Ricardo. When we're cooking, we doesn't play. Alright? I would like to make the fans happy. So that's why Chef Ricardo do all these things for the fans. But the beauty is, I want to get to the fans is to make you guys know that this is how you can cook a large portion of chicken at home. Do you understand what I mean? Look at that. More eat. Alright? Alright. We're gonna show you how to cook a large portion of chicken at home. Alright? So all the ingredients is in, chicken is in. All you need to do, cover it like this and leave it for it to keep sweat for another good 12 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring it in the meantime, guys, please. On a medium size heat at the moment. Alright. We're gonna show you how to cook a big pot of curry chicken in your kitchen at home for the family, for your son's birthday, for your daughter's birthday, for your daughter christening, for your daughter function, anything. This is where it goes. Yeah. It's looking good. So we're gonna keep stirring just like that.
I already washed my hands. Then I just put that on.
Alright, well, wash your hands.
My hands are wet.
Go and wash your hands.
No, my hands are.
Yeah, that's the two hands. Did you wash your hands?
Oh, I'm walking.
Marcus, did Killer wash his hand? Yeah. Let's check in there, see if everything they went. Go wash your hand. Go and wash your hand.
No, I already washed my hands.
But if it doesn't wet, only wash your hand and the water doesn't wet. Go and wash your hand now. I watch that watching people when they use the toilet, they must wash your hand. You want me to slap you? She come downstairs and use the thing. The toilet and give her her hand. Go and wash your hand. Now. Or you just use the toilet. Do you want to stay upstairs and don't come down? Alright, this for that you're gonna don't come downstairs until you see the next 30 minutes. You're gonna sit upstairs for 30 minutes. So you tell lie and you did not on top of it. And you use the toilet and you didn't wash your hand. You're not gonna go back in this room until 30 minutes time. Go upstairs. You don't need to do your timetable until mommy come. Because you're being naughty. You tell a lie because you didn't wash your hand. And you know when they use the toilet, they must wash your hand. Go upstairs now. Go and sleep for 10 minutes. Go to your bed. Well, go to your bed for 30 minutes. Go upstairs and wash your hand. And you do the same thing when you're at school. Then why are you doing it at home? Go and wash your hand. You're being banned from the computer for the rest of the day. you going to the shop, Marcus, or what?
No.
Are you gonna come back now?
No, why?
Something you can do. I'm gonna come back. Alright. Yeah, it's too small. Come downstairs, no wash your hand after that stuff, man. And I said, you wash your hand. Yes. Alright.
Curry chicken that cook up. Curry chicken that cook up. Ah, that's hot, man. Please don't do that, guys. Burn up myself. I have to go to work Monday, innit?
Alright, don't do that here, please. That's very hot. Alright. Do you see exactly what's going on in the kitchen? Ah man, sweating its own juice. Looking good. Smell nice. Alright. Give it a couple more minutes. Yeah. Nice and lovely. This is some seasoning extra stuff that we're gonna put inside of the curry chicken, carrot, potato, and white onion. One large one both right here. So we're gonna pop up straight inside of the pot and make it cook down with it, with the chicken, bringing a lovely flavor towards the pot. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. Looking at the pot. Pot. Curry chicken looking lovely and nice, man. I tell you. It's the only thing is just because the curry I will use is not a bright curry. Them people that I cook for that doesn't like the bright curry, so I'm using the mild curry powder at the moment. So we're gonna put in carrot and spring onion, and this is the potato. Extra flavor to the pot. Alright. So we're just gonna allow this, make this cook down for a nice good 20 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Enjoy it. Why not? Tastes nice, but gonna add a little bit of chicken season. Not too much. And also, remember Chef Ricardo having one. Remember Chef Ricardo having one jerk sauce, hot pepper sauce. Gonna put 1, 2, 3. 3 night. Bring up the flavor, you know? It's curry chicken. Yeah. Give it a stir. Really nice. So guys, load up that cook down for a nice good 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, enjoy it. Yes. Hear the pot. Look at this. Amazing, guys. I don't know if you can see how going on right here, but things looking good. And that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right now in the evening. Almost finished. Yeah, right now you can turn off this now, guys. Seriously, this is looking lovely. Nice. I'm going to turn off the stove because this is finished. We don't want to overcook it too much, but we want to have some gravy. Alright, so listen, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. We got a lot more recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.